nandol abati ko na ho ni binaka ni nandol na buru-buru ni bibotor dai te binaka bikin ni maram. Karena may boy daruti na lang ni balengo. Ho ni talangani na kunikina na bilomani. Bikin ni maram na bibo sei. Na bika kere karanya ni boy dor na so ni maram, bambul butek ni so ni maram. Baleta na bibotor dai taki. Ni nomni mata bubale bakata laki ron poko.
Resource center is going to really help us because usually we meet once every week, and we don't really have a place where we can all sit down and have our meeting and do our work. Like we learn to do handicrafts, we do tali for mats, so especially with the community hall, it's always a turanga and we have lots of functions. And Saqani is a center for government stations here in the Tikin Saqani, so we are always hosting a lot of these meetings. And so with this resource center, I know it's going to really help us a lot with our work, so we don't really have to rush. We can sit down whole day and do whatever we want to do, and we learn from each other. So, and with our sewing machines and whatever we have, now we have a place to keep them. So I think this resource center will really be good for us, and the women of Saqani will benefit from this.
We can see that they have a bakery already. They have worked on it. This village, all the toilets are flush toilets, which is very uncommon in a village so far away from the urban centers. They also have a kindergarten that has been constructed. They've got the children there, and they have the teachers with certificates who are running the kindergarten. They don't need any training in sewing because they already have people, women who are already skilled in tailoring. So there's been a lot of work, of projects that's been done by the women, and it's inspirational to the villages surrounding them.